Morning, today's July 23rd, and today's refinishing project is located in Oakland, California. All right, today in Oakland, we're going to be refinishing this standard size steel bathtub here. It was refinished a long time ago. The coating was coming off on the bottom, so I'm in the process of stripping it now. And once it's fully stripped, we'll go ahead and get to the prepping and repair all these chips here. There's a lot of them. And then we'll prime it and refinish it. This will be a full day job considering the strip and the repairs, the chipping repairs, and we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. All right, so the tub is complete here in Oakland, California. Let's take a closer look. So this tub here was refinished previously, a number of years ago, and the coating was coming off, so the first thing we had to do was strip off the old coating and get it back to the bare surface and prep it from there, and then prime and refinish it. This was a full day. First you have to strip it off, and sometimes there's a lot of chips underneath, which was the case for this tub. There was a dozen chips under there that we had to repair. So this took a full day to complete. And this is a gloss white. Nice and shiny. Huge difference than from before. And turned out great. All right, so here's the bathtub here in Oakland, California. If you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.